So in this video, I'm going to give you the full rundown of deploying data sources in Tableau Cloud, why we do the data modeling, how it works in a professional environment. Let's go through it. So here I am in Tableau Cloud. Now we have Tableau Cloud, we have Tableau Desktop. The Tableau Cloud, if you're not sure, is basically an online platform that's private to your organization where you can publish your dashboards. Because even though we have Tableau Desktop, as you can see here, once I create the visualization, I need a way to safely distribute it for consumption. So what we do is once we have a dashboard, we publish it to the cloud. All right, that makes sense. But you can do a lot more than that. So what I want to talk about specifically in this video is how to publish a data source and why that's important for a large organization. So let's do a simple example, right? So I'm going to bring a data set in. Let's go find one. So I've got a data set here and I'm just going to drop it in. So this data set exists on my local system, but you can also do it off a cloud server. I'm going to go sheet one. And that's it. Now I can go ahead and start building the solution, but let's say my role is I am a data engineer in the finance department. And I know that there's a lot of other divisions that need this data that I've spent a lot of time on SQL and cleaning up the data. I've been grabbing multiple sources. And basically what I've done is I have now created a data model that is actually very useful because it's got a lot of metrics, it's clean, right? And it saves other people from having to do the same task. So how do I deploy this data source or data model to Tableau Cloud? It's actually very easy. So if I go up here to server, I'll go down here beyond publish workbook, you're going to see publish data source. And if I click on that, it's going to open up this window. Now, I'm already signed in. If you're not signed in, it's going to prompt you. And the whole idea is we're deploying this data model to the cloud. Along with that is it's going to have all the instructions to pull that data through when it needs it. So if it's a cloud server you've connected to, it'll be Tableau Cloud now connecting to that server, pulling that data in, and any dashboard that's connected to it will refresh when the data refreshes. So we've got our menu here, and we're going to publish it now. So I'm going to call this finance data model, okay, like so, and I'm simply going to go publish. Once it's done processing, Tableau Cloud will automatically open, and you can now see your data source existing in the cloud. Great. What this does is every analyst, every designer, creator, anyone that has access to this data source by the permission set in Tableau Cloud can now connect to it and build more solutions. So let me show you how that works. If I jump back to Tableau, I'm going to get rid of this connection, right? Just so we have a fresh dashboard. Now I'm coming in, I'm in a different division. I am now in manufacturing, and I go, well, I need that information that, Jed built in order to do some insights. If I go connect to data, or this button right here, they do the same thing, okay? Or if you're at the main menu, so if I go back to the start page, right, or you're here, you're gonna see this button, Tableau Server, okay? So if we click on that, it'll either it'll prompt you to sign in. If you've signed in already, it's gonna take you directly to this window. From here, we search for our data set. So if we go finance, right? There's the data source there. And like we said, this could be feeding off a server somewhere, and we simply connect. And once we do that, you'll notice the symbol at the top is now different. It's actually the Tableau Cloud logo, or Tableau logo really. And what this means is if we build a visualization now, let's say I build something like this, right? For example, right? So I'll go to visualization like this. I can now deploy this dashboard to Tableau Cloud. So I go server, publish workbook. It's going to open this up. I'm going to go default. I'm going to call this finance dash. And we simply go publish. What that's going to do is it's going to stitch it up, right? And then it's going to send it off to the cloud. Now it's going to exist in the cloud, feeding off a data source in the cloud. And people can do this an infinite number of times instead of everyone having to clean that data multiple times. So that's the whole purpose of published data sources. I typically won't teach this in 5 minutes. Typically, I teach this over an entire course, showing you exactly how to build it from scratch, different variations, different scenarios that you're going to be working in when you're a professional analyst. When you do this every day and you're working in large organizations, all that I teach. So be sure to check out my website. I have a full course on it. If there are other subjects and topics or things that you weren't too sure about, or there's variations to this that you're dealing with currently, be sure to drop me a comment. I'd love to make more videos for you guys. Until next time, I hope you enjoyed, and bye.